Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful front page. A stunning front page immediately captures attention and sets the tone for your entire site. It is crucial to establish a clear visual hierarchy, guiding visitors effortlessly through your content. Consistency in design elements like colors and fonts builds trust and reinforces your brand identity. Remember, a beautiful front page is not just about aesthetics. It is about creating an inviting and intuitive experience for every user. Visual elements are the heart of a beautiful front page. A thoughtfully chosen color palette, often limited to 3 or 5 main colors, creates harmony. Legible typography, typically one font for headings and another for body text, ensures your message is clear. High-quality images or custom graphics add visual appeal, while generous white space prevents clutter, making your content easy to digest and visually appealing. A truly beautiful front page offers an exceptional user experience. Intuitive navigation, featuring clear calls to action, guides visitors seamlessly. Provide immediate value or a compelling reason for them to delve deeper within the first few seconds. Actively gathering user feedback is vital for continuous refinement, ensuring your design evolves with user needs. Furthermore, optimizing for accessibility ensures your beautiful front page is welcoming to everyone, expanding your reach significantly. Beyond aesthetics, a beautiful front page must perform flawlessly. Optimize images by compressing them to reduce file size without sacrificing visual quality. Leveraging browser caching significantly speeds up repeat visits for users. Minimizing code and scripts helps improve overall loading speed, ensuring a smooth experience. Regularly testing performance metrics across various devices, including mobile and desktop, guarantees your front page remains fast and responsive for every single visitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.